Okay, I want to give an example of an equation that's used in statistics, z equals x minus m over s. Actually, z is what they call a z-score. Z-score, x is a data point, m is the mean, and s is a standard deviation. All these things will be explained in a stat class. What I want to do for right now is if I give you values for z, m, and s, we want to be able to solve for x given values for z, m, and s. So here's an example. Solve z equals x minus m over s for x if, and then there's some values given, z is negative 2.58, m is 42.3, and s is 3.2. So the first thing I'm going to do, step one, is I'm going to write the equation, x minus m over s. I'm going to substitute in the given values. So instead of z minus 2.58, x is what we're solving for. Instead of m, I'm putting in 42.3. And instead of s, I'm putting in 3.2. So that's the equation we want to solve for x. And in order to do that, let me just copy what I have so far. I have negative 2.58 equals x minus 42.3 over 3.2. The next step is I'm going to multiply both sides by this denominator 3.2. Multiply both sides by 3.2. So I have 3.2 times negative 2.58 equals 3.2 times x minus 42.3 over 3.2. So this I'm going to do on the calculator. 3.2 times a negative 2.58. That gives me negative 8.256. Negative 8.256 equals, on this side, the 3.2's cancel out, so I'm just left with x minus 42.3. So now, to get x alone, I'm going to add 42.3 on both sides. So let me copy what I have so far. So I have negative 8.256 equals x minus 42.3. So step 3 is I'm going to add 42.3 on both sides. So negative 8.256 x minus 42.3. I'm going to go plus 42.3 plus 42.3 on both sides. That's for the calculator. Now careful, that's a negative number, so I'm going to start that with a negative down there. 8.256 plus 42.3. That gives me 34.044. 34.044. On this side, these cancel out, equals x, and now it's done.